Anthropic has built something called an MCP server. It's a way for Claude to directly plug into all of the apps that you're currently using, such as Shopify, Slack, Gmail, pretty much give you direct connection between your AI and all of your apps. And pretty much almost no Shopify dropshipping owner that I've seen in the space have been talking about this, let alone set it up. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to set up your Claude AI with your Shopify data. And for those that are new to the channel, my name is Marcus Slam. I've been running my own store since 2020. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to set up your Claude, your AI, with your Shopify data. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Right now over here, I have a demo high-ticket dropshipping store that I'll be using today. This is one of my old stores from back then. So disclaimer, please don't just try to copy it, because obviously it's not going to work. It may work for a little bit, but overall, in the long grand scheme of things, make sure that you're constantly reiterating and innovating yourself. But today, we're gonna be using this as the demo, and then we're also going to be signing up for the Claude account. So make sure if you guys haven't already, start your Claude account. So we'll just do this together. I'm gonna enter the email for it. So I'll blur this out later. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click continue with email, and then it's going to bring me to the link that I'm gonna have to open. So what I'll do is I'll open the link for this email, and then we're gonna keep on going. So sign in over here. Perfect. So now I'm just gonna click check terms. Make sure you guys do read over the agreements. And now you have the option to choose between the free, pro, or max version. I personally recommend the max version. I use a max version and it helps me a lot. But for now, we'll start off with the free plan. And what I'll do is I'll download for Windows. Now keep in mind, I already have it for Windows. And just for any beginner that's coming into the world of AI with high-ticket e-commerce and dropshipping, e-commerce in general, chat is a way for you to speak with Claude on the brain side. So I like to look at the AI in 3 different landscapes almost. So your chat is where you ask it questions. Your cowork is pretty much where you create a folder so that the AI could work inside your files and apps, which is really, really powerful. I'll be making more videos in the future about Claude Cowork. And Claude Code is how you could create code from your computer. And this is really where the hype is, because back then you would have to have a software engineer or somebody to help you create certain things onto your website or create an app. But now you could create your own code app. So what I'll just do is download for my Windows, which I already have, and then I'm going to log in and set up my account. So we'll do this together. I am a founder, but I'll just go with marketing, and then I'll put I'm on topic, and then boom. I will be greeted onto the Claude on the browser. Now it's very important you guys understand that there's the Claude desktop. There's also the Claude extension, so make sure you guys download both. And then once we download this, what we'll do is we'll set up the account together, and then we will also connect it with the desktop, and then we will connect it with our Shopify. So this is really powerful, guys, because what you're essentially able to do is you'll be able to upload products, check your inventory, and this is just really powerful when it comes to setting up your store. Obviously, you're not going to be able to go into the theme and edit it, but I have some ways around it, which is by using the extension. Turns out we have to go with the paid plan, so we might as well just upgrade it right now. And what I'm just going to do is take a minute to go for upgrade. Just take about 30 seconds. So I just submitted my credit card information, and now we are about to get the account set up for my Claude on the extension side. It is pending now, and it just went through. I'm in Pro. So all I really need to do now is go back to here, and it will give me the access to connect to my Chrome. So I just have to click authorize. And now I have the extension installed over here. So boom, and then you just have to click I understand, click next, and now you'll have access to this. And pretty much we're almost halfway there already, guys. So it's not too crazy at first when you're using Claude, but now this is where things are gonna get a little bit more fun, you could say. So what you could do is go to settings over here, and then you wanna go to connectors. And then connectors is pretty much how you could connect your Claude to many different things. If you guys are wondering what a skill is pretty much a set of instructions that you could give to Claude. So for example, if I'm trying to upload a product in a specific way, all you have to do is have Claude upload it a few times, specifically the way you want it to. Like, for example, I have the titles in the middle, and I like to have certain links. So if you have like a certain style, you just have to do it one time, and then Claude could pretty much replicate that using the skill function. But we'll go over how to use skills in future videos. Today, we're gonna connect your Shopify, which is pretty much over here. You have to click Shopify. Now, just wanna let you guys know it was a lot harder back then when it first came out because there wasn't like a Shopify connector. Now there is, so it's a lot easier. But I had to go through like in my terminal, which is like the motherboard of the computer. This is so much easier, guys. The only thing you guys have to be aware of is making sure you guys have the always allow, and that's gonna help you guys a ton. Okay, so now that you have your Shopify connected, all you have to do is start up the chat over here. So real quick, I didn't install on my desktop app yet. So what we'll do is first, our checklist is to sync it on the browser, and then we'll also sync it onto our desktop so that we have the full stack ready. And then all we have to do is just log into the account. So just log in. And I'll enter the verification code that I get from the email. So open it up on my phone. Got the email, and now it just gave me this link. This link is going to verify on my desktop app, and boom, we are live. Make sure you guys update it to the latest version. You guys want to constantly keep updating it. I noticed that there's like updates every single day almost. So you want to definitely do what you can to update it. And just to give you guys a little overview of how the left bar works, because I was definitely a little bit confused at first too. Claude Design is pretty much where you could create your projects. So I'll make another video in the future on how to create your website using Claude Design and just building it to make it look prettier. Make sure, by the way, guys, if you guys want us to help you with the next step, which is finding procs, and I'll show you guys how to find procs as well, you guys join our free community on School. So I'll put the link down below. We have over 15,000 members, so definitely check that out. Your projects is pretty much all of the different projects that you're organizing or you're creating. Your artifacts is going to be when you're building something, and then you just have to like keep it still for a bit. So let's say I am trying to build an app, and obviously building the project requires a super long time. So while I'm creating it, I'll have like a checklist of what to do. You could actually log that checklist as an artifact, and that's the whole point of artifacts. And then customize is you connecting and creating skills connectors. Keep in mind, guys, please don't worry, it's not too crazy. Right now, today, just focus on setting up your Claude and then understanding the difference between Claude, Claude Cowork, Claude Co-extension, and then also integrating it with your Shopify. So all I have to do is open up chat and say, hey, are you connected to my Shopify account? And what it'll do is it'll ask you if it's connected to your Shopify account, and says, yes, I'm connected to it. Okay, so let's go through some cool things that you could use with this integration now that you have connected Shopify with Claude. You could ask it to analyze my catalog and find the Mr. Cool product and prepare for SEO optimization. So why is this important? It's important because, you know, back then I would have to hire someone to analyze my catalog, to upload products for me. But now, if you know what you're doing with high ticket dropshipping you could literally just take the catalog of your supplier and upload it into here and then tell your Claude to update your products and inventory for you. And up until now, that's probably been one of the industry's hardest problems, which is just having the right catalog and not selling things that are out of stock. So this has been significantly helpful when it comes to catalog organization, when it comes to technical SEO. And by the way, guys, if any of this is confusing or if you guys want more of a hand-holding approach, we have a one-on-one coaching mentorship offer. Obviously, I have something to sell you guys. So if you guys are interested in working with us, being a partner where you will have a percentage revenue share coach with you to help you get to $10,000 a month in profit in the next 6 months, that's our coaching offer. Apply down below or just go to ecomhighticket.com. And I also have a free training where I show you guys exactly how this business model works step by step in a 90-minute presentation. Just go to peakflowacademy.com if you're interested. And that is essentially us connecting Shopify with our Claude. So just to recap today, if you guys are still confused, you just need to understand, first, set up Claude onto your computer. We'll be going over it on the extension. We'll be going over it on the browser, and then we'll also go over it on the desktop. And when you are downloading Claude, understand that there's an extension. There's also Claude Cowork, where it operates inside a folder. And then there's also Claude Code, where you could build apps, and Claude Design, where we could create the artistry for your apps and website. So let me know if you guys found this video helpful. Hit the subscribe button and let me know what kind of questions you guys have. I'm constantly checking our school community pretty much like every single day. So if you guys have any questions there, just DM me. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. This is definitely the start to many more. Gonna get back into the content grind again because, well, it's been spending a lot of months trying to understand the AI technology, and long story short, our operational efficiencies, our sales, marketing, operational processes, automation, AI, we're about to utilize voice AI fully onto our stores. So that will help a lot with our VAs. Obviously, I'm not here to just create like a one AI business only storefront, but it is possible. But at the end of the day, we as business owners, we as high ticket dropshippers need to learn how to use the technology first and then figure out how to implement it. So this is why I make this channel. I want to give you guys the latest AI strategies with e-commerce for high ticket dropshipping, selling luxury products. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.